Hello everyone, so now let's move on to Wednesday the 18th of September, US30 interest rate news day. So we got a nice buy on this day. This was only yesterday. Main move was with the interest rate news, and we have a separate channel for the interest rate news that shows you all the past interest rate releases. So the main thing to focus on this day is getting into position with the London session or New York session in favour of the interest rate release, because most of the time if you can get into the position already, then price is likely to be released in the same direction that you are currently favouring. On this day we got into position for the New York session and we profited on this buy here. But let's get into it now. So here we are. So same as always, we'll start with the London session, drag it over for the New York session. Previous day, discount buy areas is down here. Drag it over like you did here. So that's a potential discount buy area. Premium sell area here. So they're either selling, and this was now a retracement, or they're pushing price down to continue buying. These were retesting the previous day discount buy area. So we drag those over. Now we're going to go down to the London opening to see if we got any opportunities to get into a trade for the interest rate news. Here is the MOP midnight opening price let's zoom in a bit, pre-London, and then the London opening here with the arrow. So the first opportunity, you wouldn't really have a bias here because you're in the middle of these two areas, discount buy, premium sell, and you're in the middle. And most of the time when you get that, it just goes sideways until the next session kicks in and then real movement takes place. So I wasn't expecting too much here, and we got a nice sideways movement, but what you'd be expecting is just simple liquidity clearance, and that's what you got. London opening takes place, pushes down, clears this low, retest the daily opening price, which is here, and you can see that's respected here. Daily opening price, and then you start to see bullish movement from there all the way back up to the London session. So if you wanted to trade it, that's a clear buy from here. Taking liquidity, retesting the opening price, and you're seeing reversal candles kicking in. So on any of these green candles, you can get into the buy, and by the time the MOP hits, you'd move to break even, take partial profits, take most profits at the London opening, and then price goes sideways, and that's the only sort of opportunity you'd see for that London session. Now New York session is here. This is the pre-New York, this is the high volume time, and we have the New York opening here where the arrow is. So we're still waiting for price to move to one of these areas, either the discount buy area and premium sell areas. That was given out to the VIP members on this day, and that's all we're looking for. That's the simplest sort of trade entry you can get. And you can see here the New York opening takes place, pushes down. We got into a move here, and then moved to break even at least, and then got taken out. Then we waited a bit, and myself got into another move here, but I don't think I was available on the VIP channel. But a lot of people knew what they was looking at, they learnt it, and they got into the move already. They saw this area as a reversal area. Now if we didn't get that reversal area there and price took the previous day low, that is another opportunity for a reversal. So it's either going to move to a discount buy area, or it's going to push through that and take the previous day low and then reverse. It's the same with the high. It'll go to a premium high, or take the previous day high level. So it reverse in one of those areas. And that's what you got here. So we started to get into the buys down here, and that carried on all the way until interest rate news took place. And that is here where the blue line is running along there. That released impulse volume to the upside straight away with the release, and that went all the way to our main target, which was the previous day high. which is the orange line here. That was the main area you would take most profit, because that is a major liquidity pool. So that was straight to take profit. Nice bit of profit made within a short time. You just had to understand what was happening in time for the news. Now that's when I've finished. I didn't take any more than that because that's a nice big movement towards the upside. Nice and easy. You was already in the buys at break even, and all you had to do is wait for that volume to be put into the market, and that was a nice bit of profit. And that's all we do on high impact news days, is prepare ourselves and get into the market beforehand, so we don't have to go through the stress of trying to trade with the high volume. We just move with what we're already in, because it normally favours what we're currently seeing on the chart. Now I know some people got the rejection after, because that's also a sell opportunity. Taking the previous day high with a high volume time, so you'd be looking for a sell all the way back towards the released level, which is this blue line running along here. So some people also got the sell all the way back down once they saw rejection. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame, see what happened. So with high impact news, you will need to work on the 1 minute. So you can see how he pushed all the way up, took that high, and then came all the way back down to the release level exactly there, which runs all the way along there. And you can see it hit that level, stayed within the wick of that candle, and then continue towards the upside. So you could either take this as a buy, because you are focusing on certain things, they still have to be respected even in high volume times. So you could have even took the buy from here, and that was straight profit all the way up. And as you clear this high, you'd have moved to break even, and you took some partial profits here, took some partial profits here as you're clearing these previous high liquidity pools. And then price come back down, all the way back down to this level again. Now once you get more than two, I would say, more than two retests of that level, it's showing weakness. So this is showing bearish pressure kicking in. That's why you get a downwards move, and you're seeing price being pushed down and down towards the downside. And you're getting new lower lows. So each time it does that, you're using the previous high as your stop loss, or you're just waiting for it to reverse first. Like I said, I wouldn't be trading all of this. You just want to trade the main moves and make your money, then just relax a bit. You don't want to stress yourself out trying to trade every kind of movement. So that was the main move yesterday on US30. This buy from here, nice and simple. New York open, push down to a key level, which is the discount buy. You buy, and then you're buying with the New York traders in favour of the news for a continuation up. Taking partial profits, most profits at the key areas, which are the previous day high. Yeah, that's it. Nice and simple. You'd have took partial profits here too at the New York opening. But yeah, that was good. Nice and simple. Another successful day following simple confirmations on the chart. Do I need to do today? No, I think I'll wait for today, because we're still developing price action. All we've taken today is the sell from up here, and you can see it's messing around a bit, so it's still probably bullish. But we was looking for a London session. We was looking for a move into the premium sell area. We didn't see any kind of weakness there. Could have got a stop loss hit. Let's say you got a stop loss hit, then price has gone up into the New York opening, and we was focusing on that sell because we took the previous day high, so we made nice profit on that downwards move. Because it's going up and down and making liquidity kind of price action, that's telling me it's more bullish than it is bearish now. So I've stopped trading US30 for the day, but I'll do a full recap on that tomorrow. So small profit for today, nice big profit for yesterday, previous day, nice profit on the sell, and then the previous day was, I can't remember that one actually. I think we got the sell. Yeah, I think we got the sell back towards the New York opening. So yeah, we're just following the same thing. That was 18th of September. Hopefully it helped. Take care. Have a good day.